Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a moving ponytail in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all, you can go to the hairstyle selection and we're going to use up to hairstyle. You can choose this one and I'm going to color it black. For this hair color, I'm gonna make it black like this. And then we're going to move to the straight category and choose this hairstyle. And we're going to change the toggle to more animated. Alright, and then we're going to use the adjustment feature to create a moving ponytail. So make sure you have unlocked the adjustment feature. Okay, wait, let me click on the adjustment and then we're going to go to the scale and we're going to make it smaller like this. And then for the position, I'm going to set it like this. Okay. And let me show you. Okay, and this is how it looks, guys. As you can see, that the moving ponytail has been created. Okay, and you can keep adjusting if you're still not satisfied with how it looks. Let me make it bigger. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a moving ponytail and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!